Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Alight motion. You will click here on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on Alight motion. In this page of app, on file we click on Forcestop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.